Hey friends, how are y'all tonight? It's Melanie Ferguson with Southern Crush at Home, and I hope to inspire you all to make and create a home that you love. Actually, it's to create and decorate. That's what it is. So as you hop on, say, hey, let me know that you're here. Let me know where you're watching from and what you're doing. We're going to make a quick craft. And when I mean quick, I mean like lightning quick, because I don't have a whole lot of time tonight. But I had bought this, hey Tammy, I had bought this placemat. It's literally, can you hear it? It's like, it's not Mylar. What is this, y'all? Oh, it says 100% polypropylene. You just got to work. Oh, awesome. Hey, Marla. Hey, Darla. Marla and Darla are on. I don't really need to take off the sticker. But anyway, I got it at the dollar somewhere. Tree? Gentle? I don't know. We call it the Gentle. All right. So I just went nuts. I was like, this is so cute. It's got watermelons all over it. And y'all know I already kind of have a watermelon thing going on. And so there's that. Hey, Trisha, Teresa, and Beverly. So I wanted to make something with this. And I was like, what can I do? What could I do? I don't really know what to make with this. So I'm just going to make some magnets for the fridge. Hey, Cindy. Hey, Lene. All right. So I thought I would cut these out in like patterns based on how they are on here and just leave a little bit of space. Now, I only have 3 magnets, and the magnets just come from the Dollar Tree, and they're $1 for a pack of 4, I think you get. So there's that. Yes, Teresa, it's a placemat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by making this up. I think I like this one over here. I think this one. I'm going to make a big magnet out of that one. And I want to keep some of the blue edge because I think it's pretty. So literally, y'all are just going to watch me cut. Hey, Tina. All right. There's really no way to do this wrong because it's not even a thing. Just making it up. Hey, Jerry Button, I miss you. So I'm just cutting this out, leaving a little bit of the edge. Hi, Carrie. How is everything? Your direction. I'm going to come see you soon. I'm just saying that because I really want to. I don't have like concrete plans, but I really want to. Now, are you in Rockport, Carrie? I grew up there. Hey, Sonja. Sonia, sorry, I'm sorry. We're in public. Okay. I am just about got this cut how I want it. So, do you see what I did here? I'm going to trim the top a little more. Try to make it at least a little bit smooth. So I've got this. I can't decide. Oh, thank you, Marla. I meant to do this. Huh, and it's backwards. Backwards. Okay. So I'm going to put this aside. I'm guessing this might be one of my magnets. So y'all, I don't have kids that are little anymore. Yes, Anya, I thought it was funny. So we don't have like a lot of art that we put on the fridge anymore, like from school. Oh, you're in Panama City Beach. Well, I need to come there too. But anyway, we usually put a lot of schedules on the fridge and invitations to things so we don't forget. You would cut all the blue away. Well, I kind of like the blue. I kind of like the blue. Okay. I'm going for this watermelon piece right here. It's kind of like a piece of pizza, which I also happen to like. Yeah, this one's not, this one's not straight, y'all. I'm gonna have to work on it. Wait until you get grandkids. Oh, your fridge is a magnet center now, Lisa. That is true. I didn't think about that, but I can definitely wait. I can definitely wait. I don't want to rush anything. Mine are 16 and 19. I think we're good. I think we're good. Hey, Susan. How are you tonight? Yeah, Sienna, I think I agree. This one looks terrible with the blue. I'm going to have to make it smaller. I'm going to do smaller edge. But this pizza straight up slice is kind of throwing me off here. And the straight, I don't know that I like the straight lines. What do y'all think? You would cut the blue away on the small one and attach it to the larger one. Tanya, this one already has a little one next to it. Oh, and make it like that? Girl, you're onto something. You're onto something. Because I thought this looked kind of weird like that. It makes sense on the placemat, but it didn't look right. Let's do that. So we're not going to cut all the blue away. I'm just going to do what it takes to make it look right. I think that if we could just position it here, I could hot glue it together. What do y'all think? Just kind of winging it. All right, so if you didn't know, wait, you're right, I gotta fix this. This became a project. Yes, they would look like a real slice. They would. And this isn't very straight, so I might end up cutting it down to the rind. Okay, so I have the two pieces like this. What do you think? Y'all still hate the blue? It was a good idea. But it's going on your fridge. Yes, it is. It's not going to be real. It's going on the fridge. So I don't love how uneven it is. That's just my little OCD kicking in. But we will get through this. You know, I'll start trying to make it even, and then it'll whittle itself down to nothing. Okay. I'm going to fix this over here. Maybe a little less blue. You know, I could trim for hours. How about that? How about that? I think that's kind of cute. Betty, it looks good enough to eat. Marla, you like the blue. Lene, you're just happy to be here. Okay, I am going to move that over here since it's backwards. I'm going to hot glue this together real quick and see what we've got. I can always trim it again once it's on. So I'm just going to put the hot glue right here. And I'm going to hurry and put it down. It's warm through the polypropylene. Oh my, it almost like melts it. It's really hot. but it's on there good. It's on there good. So if anybody still thinks I should trim it down to the green, it's gonna let me, because it's just all together. Amy, we might still come. I had to do a craft real quick. That's my friend. She's waiting on me. Hey, Donna. Okay, thank you, Donna. Appreciate it. All right. Plus, Brett had to take Berkeley over to your house. So there's that. All right, so I would just hot glue this magnet onto the back here so that it will hold up the artwork. I'm thinking one will do. Oh, thanks, Nancy. So I'm just gonna glom a bunch of hot glue on it. And then I'm going to shove it on the back here. And I'm sort of kind of trying to pick the middle so that the weight of the whole thing kind of gets covered. So here we are. There's my fridge magnet. I wanted to do a little one too, so that I could have a set of fridge magnets. So we'll just do one more. I'm thinking just this one by itself over here. Here's what I've got left. But these all kind of go off the map, which is great for this piece, but not great for the magnet, because I really like the way this one turned out with the whole watermelons. Great idea, Tanya. We're still loving that idea. Anyway, I'm thinking I'm picking this one because it's the only other one that's all by itself complete. And it's going to have blue all the way around it to match these others. So I'm just going to cut it out real quick. So you guys could find this and do this with anything. Just grab you a placemat. We're doing a lot with placemats, aren't we? Grab you a placemat and go to town. Sorry. Thanks, Lene. We were right by, when we did orientation for my son at Tech, we were right by the police station inside the sub, and there was a man there, and I came, I kid you not, this close to asking him if he was your husband, and then I didn't, much to my son's enjoyment. I did not. And then we came back by later in the day, and it was a different gentleman, and I was thinking, well, maybe this is him, and I just didn't ask. And I wasn't close enough to see I couldn't read the name on the tag, the name tag. But it could have been your husband if he worked yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah. Gosh. Hey, Gail from East Tennessee. Super exciting. So here's this piece, and it's not shaped the way I want it, so I'm going to kind of shape it up a little. It might not need much. It's a little better. I'm feeling like these are too broad. Let me look back at this one. And then this one. So much glare. I think to match, it's gonna have to be a little bit less sharp. Maybe a little bit less blue. What do y'all think? That's a lot of blue. I'm telling y'all, this is the fastest, easiest project ever. Literally nothing to it. Maybe there's still a little bit too much over here. Tanya, you're from East Tennessee. How exciting. That's your cousin, Marla. Look at y'all. Family reunion right here online. It's crooked now, isn't it? I told you I could get to an obsessive point with it. Get it? Point. An obsessive point. Y'all, the humor is just killing us tonight, right? Just gonna try to kind of smooth off the edges. There we go, just a little bit. What do we think of him? Is he too much like a piece of pizza? I think he's pretty good. I want to trim off the blue some more. I started looking at him through the camera and I was like, oh, he's just got too much blue. Christina, you got me all about the blue now. How about that? Taking it off. Yes, Betty, it is a placemat from, we decided, wherever this brand is. It's either the Dollar General or Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure this is a Dollar General. Yes, it's a Dollar General placemat. Yeah, so. All right, so we're gonna take our second magnet and we're gonna glue it to the back of this slice of watermelon. Telling y'all, easiest project ever. And I'm just going to put it in the middle. It's behind the share button. Press it down. Boy, it's hot. You can feel it right through it. Susan, it's good now. What's good? Was it blurry? There's no telling. All right. Oh. Susan, you meant the cutting. Okay. Here it is. Here's the back. Easy peasy magnet. Now I've got a super cute summertime magnet to put on my fridge. It's a set of magnets because I've got 2 of them. I have a third magnet piece, but I don't really see another piece of watermelon that I want to use without messing things up over there. So I'll use that for something else. But yeah, and they're supposed to look a little bit arts and craftsy, you know? They're a little bit abstract. These will go on the fridge and I will take a picture and share it with y'all so y'all can see. Thank you so much everyone for sprinkling. Y'all are super sweet to bless me like that. I appreciate you. So, yep, here we go. Will y'all do this? Will y'all do this and come back and share and tell me that you did it? Yep, big slice and 2 littles. This feels a little heavy, but I'm sure it'll work. It feels a little heavy. This one feels perfect. All right, you do plan to do it, Joanne. Yay! Yes, just take a cute placemat. Here's the rest of it so y'all can see that we're late hopping on. And cut it out. Cut out the shapes. There's other things you can do with this. You could totally use this now to cut you out the shape of a bookmark. I think a bookmark would be cute out of this. Yes, Susan, what an awesome idea. Find a lemon placemat and make lemon refrigerator magnets. That would be super cute. You'd make another big one and make it look like a bite out of it. That would be super cute. Just make it, there's even scissors that do that, right? I don't remember what they're called. Joanne, the magnets are from Dollar Tree for sure. I remember that. Can you make, yeah, like someone bit into it. I'm not going to tonight because I don't want to mess this up if I mess up. Y'all know. Hey, Shirley. Listen, y'all have an awesome night, and I appreciate you for hopping in and for this quick craft. Y'all have fun. Bye.